Hi, hello. Welcome to Show Yogi Sir YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about NCERT Class 10 Math Subject Chapter 10 Circles. Exercise 10.2. Question is a triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 cm such that the segments BD and DC into which BC is divided by the point of contact D are of lengths 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. Find the sides AB and AC. Okay, so you can find here sides AB and AC. You can find AB and AC length. Okay, so first I will write here solution. After that I will write here given. What is given? Given circle of radius 4 centimeter. Okay, circle of radius 4 centimeter. OD is radius, so I will write here this is 4 centimeter. Okay, so next triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Triangle ABC is circumscribe a circle. Okay, so next, so also what is given here? CD and BD. CD is 6 centimeter, so I will write here CD equal to 6 centimeter and BD is 8 centimeter. BD equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, so next I will go to construction. So next you can draw here, you can call this one as, next you can call this one as E. E is point of contact and F is also point of contact. So AC is tangent, this AC circle at F, and AB is also tangent. This AB touches the circle at E point. Okay, so next I will draw a perpendicular, that is OE perpendicular to AB, and also OF is perpendicular to AC. Okay, so here OF is also 4 centimeter because this is also radius. OE is also 4 centimeter because this is radius. Okay, and also I will join OA, and also I will join OB. So next from theorem 10.2 we know that is the lengths of the tangents drawn from an to a circle are equal. So in this figure C is the external point and CD and CF, these two are the tangents drawn to the circle from external point. So this theorem says these two are equal, means these two tangents are equal. If this is 6 centimeter, then this is also 6 centimeter. Okay, similarly this is the external point and these two are tangents drawn to the circle. So here already we know that is this tangent length is 8 centimeter and this is also 8 centimeter. Okay, similarly we don't know AE tangent length. I will call this one as x. If this is x, this is also x. Okay, so next CD equal to CE equal to 6 centimeter and also BD equal to BE equal to 8 centimeter and AE equal to A of which equals to x. Okay, so next I will write here side lengths, that is AC. AC equal to 6 plus x centimeter and BC equal to 6 plus 8 is 14 centimeter and AB equal to x plus 8 centimeter I will write. Okay, because AB means AE plus BE, x plus 8. Okay, so I will write here. So I'll write here AB equal to B plus AE, which equals to x plus 8 centimeter, and BC length CD plus BD, because so in this figure BC means CD plus BD. CD is 6, BD is 8. 6 plus 8 is 14 centimeter. So I written here BC equal to 14 centimeter. Similarly, AC equal to AF plus FC. AF is x and FC is 6. X plus 6 I will write. Okay. So AC equal to x plus 6 centimeter. Next. So I will call this one as A and B and C. Okay. So here semi perimeter formula is A plus B plus C by 2. Okay. A means x plus 8 plus 100 plus as it is. B means 14 plus C means x plus 8. Okay. So divided by 2 I'll write as it is. Next, so x plus x. Here 1x, here 1x, that is 2x plus 14 plus 6 is 20. 20 plus 8, 28 divided by 2. So semi perimeter is equals to what is common in these two? 2 is common. Remaining is x plus 14, because 2 14s are 28 divided by 2 I will write as it is 2 1s are 2 1s. So semi perimeter is equals to x plus 14 centimeter. Okay. So next I will find area of triangle ABC by using Heron's formula. Okay. By using Heron's formula you can find area of triangle ABC. Okay. So that is area of triangle ABC formula is square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Okay. So next we got here s, that is semi perimeter is x plus 14. So I will write here s is equals to x plus 14. Okay. Next a is x plus 8. So I will write here a equal to x plus 8 and b is 14. So 14 I written here, and c is x plus 6. So I written here c is x plus 6. Next I will substitute x, s, a, b and c value in this formula. Okay. So here s value is x plus 14, right? So next s is x plus 14. X plus 14 I will write minus a is x plus 8. Okay. So next into s minus b is there, s minus b. Here s value is x plus 14 minus b value is 14. Okay. So minus 14 I will write as it is into s minus c. S value is x plus 14 minus c value is x plus 6. Okay. So next I will simplify this one. So which equals to, I will write this x plus 14 as it is into x plus 14 I will bring outside, minus into plus is minus x, minus into plus is minus 8. Okay. Into x plus 14 I will write as it is, minus 14 I will write as it is, into x plus 14 and minus into plus is minus, minus into plus is minus 6 I will write as it is. So next x plus 14 I will write as it is into, so plus x minus x get cancelled, 14 minus 8 is 6 into plus 14 minus 14 get cancelled, remaining is x I will write as it is into, so minus x plus x get cancelled, 14 minus 6 its value is 8. Okay. So next x plus 14 I will write as it is, next 6 8 ja 48 into x. This is, I will call this one as area of triangle ABC. Okay. So I will call this one as equation 1. So we got here area of triangle ABC with the help of Heron's formula. Next I will find here once again area of this triangle in different way. That is, first I will find these three triangles area and I will add these three triangles area, then I will get here area of triangle ABC. Okay, so after that I will equate this area using formula, that is half into base into height and this runs area. Okay, I will equate these two. Okay, so first I will call this one as A1, that is area of first triangle. Okay, so area of triangle OCB, area of triangle OCB is equals to half into base into height. Okay, so I will write 1 by 2 as it is. Base is here, base is BC, BC is 6 plus 8, that is 14. Okay, so into height, that is OD is perpendicular to this BC, so that is height. So height is 4 centimeter. Okay, so 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 14 into 2 is 28 centimeter square. This is area of triangle OCB. So next I will find area of triangle AOB. So I will call this one as A2. A2 means area of triangle OAB. A2 is equals to 1 by 2 into base. Base is here AB. Okay, so base into height. So I will write 1 by 2 as it is, and here base is AB. AB length is x plus 8 centimeter. So I will write x plus 8 centimeter. Okay, so into height is OE, because OE is perpendicular to AB. So that's why this is height, and height is 4 centimeter. Okay, so 2 1 ja 2, 2 ja, which is equals to 2 into x plus 8 centimeter square. This is area of triangle AOAB. Okay, so next I will find the area of triangle AOC. So area of triangle AOC I will call A3. Okay, so 1 by 2 into, so here base is AC, so AC length is 6 plus x, or I will write x plus 6 into height. Height is OF, because OF is perpendicular to AC, so that's why I will take this one as height. Okay, so 2 1 ja 2, 2 ja, I will cancel these two, so remaining is 2 into x plus 6 centimeter square. Okay, so next I will add this A1, A2, A3, means area of this triangle 1 and area of this triangle 2, area of this triangle 3, A1 plus A2 plus A3, then I will get a area of triangle ABC. Okay, so I will write here area of triangle is equals to A1 plus A2 plus A3. So A1 we got here 28 plus A2 is 2 into x plus 8 and plus I will write as it is. A3 means 2 into x plus 6. Okay, so next I will simplify. So I will write this one as 28 plus as it is. 2 into x is 2x, 2 into 8 16 plus 2 into x 2x plus 2 into 6 12. Okay, so which equals to 28 I will write as it is. 2x plus 2x is 4x, right, plus 14 plus 12, 16 plus 12, 16 plus 12 is 28. Okay, so which is equals to 28 plus 28 is 56 plus 4x. What is common in these two? So I will take here 4 is common. So I will take 4 is common. Then 4 how much? 56 means 4 14 plus x. I will write this as it is. Okay, so this is area of triangle ABC. Okay, I will call this equation as 2. Okay, so next I will equate equation 1 and 2, because area is same. Okay, this is also area, this is also area, so that's why I will equate here equation 1 and 2. So I will write here. So from equation 1 and 2, square root of x plus 14 into 48x, that is, this is first equation. Okay, and second equation is 4 into 14 plus x. Next I will bring this square root this side, then this becomes a square. So this square root becomes a square, that is 4 square into 14 plus x whole square. Okay, I will write this one as it is. 4 square is 16 and 14 plus x I will write 2 times. Okay, so next I will cancel here x plus 14, x plus 14. Okay, so next 48x I will write as it is. You can bring this 16 this side, then this becomes divided by, which is equals to 14 plus x. Okay, so 16 1 ja 16 3 ja, right? So I will write here 3x, 3 into x, 3x is equals to 14 plus x. Okay, so next I will bring this plus x this side, then this becomes minus. 3x minus 1x is, so 2x is equals to 14 and x is equals to 7 centimeter. Okay, so what we have to find in this question, we have to find AB and AC lengths. Okay, so here AB is x plus 8 and AC is x plus 6. Okay, so I will write here AB equal to x plus 8 and AC equal to x plus 6. So here x value is 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 is 15 centimeter. Okay, so next x is 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6 is 13 centimeter. So I will write here, therefore AB equal to 15 centimeter and AC equal to 13 centimeter. Okay, so you can write here AB equal to 15 and AC equal to 13 centimeter. So this is little bit difficulty is there and a little bit logical question is there. So please you can make practice, try to understand the concept, then